Right up, Brodley James, Arthur, welcome to Uned Pimp, croeso Uned Pimp.
Thank you very much.
A little bit of Welsh for you there. Last series, Arthur was a bit of a bully towards Merlin.
Yes, he was.
Does that keep going in this series?
I think because Merlin hangs around a lot, Arthur and Merlin have kind of found themselves with a lot stronger bond this year, purely because they've been through so much together, and they're starting to learn the value of each other.
Right.
And therefore, as a consequence of that, I think Arthur's seeing Merlin as more of a friend, although I don't think he'd admit it.
Right. Okay.
As opposed to just the servant who's always messing up. So
a reluctant friend.
A reluctant friend. Very good. I'll use that from now on.
There you go. And according to the legend, Arthur goes on to marry Guinevere. Does that romance start to blossom in this series?
Well, there's certainly. I've been saying that Arthur has become aware of Guinevere. He went through the whole sort of first series, originally fancying Morgana, and not even being aware of
See,
Guinevere.
I think she's really nice as well. The actress.
Right. You're a fan of her?
Yeah, since meeting her. So.
Okay.
We need you on set.
Oh, okay.
We'll pick that up.
Sorry about that.